Hey Michael, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your business pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And I see that you have a Google business profile, which is great. So we're going to take a look at what this is going to be doing for you, as well as whenever you build your new website, what that will do for you as well. And here is an example of a keyword, Concrete Amarillo TX. And so whenever your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up is the Google Map Pack section. And so this is where that Google business profile of yours that we were just looking at would be ranking. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these businesses would be to have that Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp, as well as a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and this is where the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes. So this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. Shephard Concrete. So there's a couple things on here that I recommend for you to add to your website whenever you do make it. And that is call to action buttons. So this button that's like a click to call, or this form here, that will really help with your conversion rates. So I do recommend you add those throughout your site. And the second thing would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through all of this content here, seeing what your photos are saved as, looking for those keywords. And that Concrete Amarillo TX is an example of a keyword. So let's take a look at the back end of this website. So I have the Shephard Concrete URL plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So right now, there's not enough data here for this one, so that's 0 and 2.9. And what's making up their ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 3.25 thousand backlinks coming from 19 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it is worth mentioning that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And then they have 39 keywords on their website. And so what I'd recommend for you when you do have a website would be to have your UR and DR ratings higher than your competitors for all the keywords that apply to you. And the way that you do that would be to have high quality backlinks. And then you also want to have buyer intent keywords on your website. So let's take a look through some of their keywords here. Amarillo Concrete, 200 people are searching for this every single month. Concrete Amarillo, Texas, 70, 70, 90, 90, 90. And so there are a few buyer intent keywords there for one of the services that you provide. And so in order for you to get the traffic for yourself, you'd want all the buyer intent keywords on your website for all the services that you provide. And then you'd want that website ranking. So you want high quality backlinks and enough content and buyer intent keywords so that your website's ranking. And then you would want to add more citations to that Google business profile so that you are ranking there as well. And I hope that this video was valuable for you, and I would love to hear from you to know if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.